We're delighted to be opening the new School of Manufacturing here at CQUniversity, Gladstone. It's been a while coming, but we're very, very pleased to see the interaction with industry and the interaction with the community to produce such an amazing facility. It's so important for the future industries of Gladstone and the broader region, and so important for the training and education of our workforce, which will need to be at the cutting edge of advanced manufacturing, advanced instrumentation, and of course all the renewables industries emerging here in Gladstone. If you talk about advanced manufacturing and all the workforce requirements into the future, you cannot avoid mentioning renewables one way or another. It's got to be part of our future. But where is our workforce coming? You've got to make sure that you are training people at the cutting edge. So this facility does several things. It trains and it does research and development with industries to make sure that we have the latest knowledge and we're imparting the latest knowledge on our graduates in apprentices, in vocational and in higher education as well. Advanced manufacturing, all the instrumentation and all the new techniques in industry, and of course all the renewables. Hydrogen, just one part of what will be renewable energies that will be working with industry into the future. In Gladstone playing a huge role, but across the nation and across the world. The Commonwealth Government has given us $30 million a few years ago to build the School of Mining in Rockhampton and the School of Manufacturing in Gladstone. So it's taken a while, we've had a pandemic in between to pull all of this together, but gee, a lot has happened in those few years and it's given us the opportunity to make sure we've got all the gear at a cutting edge, the latest in technology, to make sure that we're training our students and working with our industry at that cutting edge as well. In total, it's $37 million in the region. So that is terrific. A shot in the arm for the economy of Gladstone and the broader region, but a shot in the arm for the future of Gladstone as well, because there's so many industries that are going to be operating in this space. They need the R&D, they need the smarts, they need the partnerships with CQUniversity, and they need the workforce. And that's what this does. I was delighted to see all our guests here at the opening today interacting with our students, because of course we had pretty well all the major industries from Gladstone here represented. They've been part of the development of the School of Manufacturing, so of course they're interested in the opening, but of course many of their staff are students with us, apprentices or students with us. So that interaction occurs in regional areas, occurs in Gladstone, like you just wouldn't see it in metropolitan areas. I'm delighted to see that, and it just proves yet again the importance of the partnership between CQUniversity, all the industries and the broader community.
Look, this is fantastic. It's great to join with Nick this morning and officially open the School of Manufacturing right here in our Gladstone Marina Campus. It's growing every day, and so is our region. So important that we are able to train not just for the renewable industries, but our existing industry as well. Obviously, we love our partnership with Central Queensland University, being the only dual sector university in Queensland. What they're doing here in this new School of Manufacturing, and together with the Trades Training Centre, is so important for our local industry base. You know, training the next generation, it's pretty exciting. What we've seen at the Trades Training Centre is that they were able to offer some of the training. Now we're seeing our local industry getting behind them and backing and doing all their training in this new facility. So that's our alumina industry, our aluminium industry, our chemicals, but also what's going to happen is the hydrogen and renewable industries as well. This is great news for Gladstone and great news for Central Queensland.